Welcome back to World2Travel. Today, we're bringing you something truly magical, an experience that'll take you far beyond the bustling city streets of Singapore. Get ready to witness the awe-inspiring Northern Lights, recreated right here at Gardens by the Bay. The Northern Lights, or aurora borealis, are one of nature's most captivating wonders. These beautiful lights are formed when solar particles collide with Earth's atmosphere, creating a breathtaking display of shifting colors in the night sky. And now, you don't need to travel to the Arctic Circle to see them. Introducing Borealis, an incredible light and sound installation by Switzerland-based artist Dan Acker, right here in Singapore's very own Supertree Grove at Gardens by the Bay. This stunning display uses layers of light and cloud particles to recreate the magic of the Northern Lights, illuminating the skies above the Supertrees. The entire experience is set to an atmospheric soundtrack by French composer Guillaume Desbois, making it even more mesmerizing. Each night is different. The weather, wind, humidity, and temperature all affect the display, creating an ever-changing experience where nature plays a key role. After traveling to more than 40 cities across Europe, Australia, Asia, and the US, Borealis has made its way to Singapore for the very first time. Supertree Grove is transformed into a magical wonderland, an unforgettable experience for visitors of all ages. Here, under the glowing skies, time seems to slow down. It's a moment to pause and simply enjoy the beauty of art, nature, and technology coming together in perfect harmony. So, if you're in Singapore or planning to visit, don't miss this one-of-a-kind experience. Gardens by the Bay has never looked more magical, as the Northern Lights come to life right under the stars. Join us at Supertree Grove for Borealis and be transported to a world of wonder. And before you go, make sure to like this video, subscribe to World2Travel for more amazing travel experiences, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an adventure. Please note, the audio in this video has been edited due to copyright restrictions. Now relax and enjoy the music as we take you on a journey through the mesmerizing Northern Lights experience. We'll see you under the Northern Lights in Singapore. Don't forget to subscribe for more incredible journeys from World2Travel.